So I have started my ride. There is nothing much to show here in these roads. We're just going from Hubli to Gokarna, and you could say it's just 151, I guess, and it'll take 3 hours for us. So let's see. My brother is coming behind. Just completed our breakfast and heading towards Gokarna. I didn't like the food here. I would not suggest the hotel name too. It was tasteless, but we had no other option because the time was around 7:10 in the morning and it was raining already. But you will find the roads, very beautiful roads ahead towards Gokarna. This is Yellapur. Oh my god, this route is really crazy. So next week we're gonna go to Goa, and that is another level of adventure road. Yeah, straight okay road. If anyone is interested to watch the whole Karnataka, like everything, every nook and corner of Karnataka, tell me what places you want me to show, so that I'll go, I'll show. Let's see if you like it, maybe. And you may go, I'll find out, I'll gather information. That's kind of a help, where it's also helpful for me as I want to explore new things. Same, everything remains same, but Goa locations are too good. From Hubli to Goa are like, they're beautiful. Just can't ask for more. And this time I'm gonna try, going in early mornings, like around I'll start around 5 or 5:30. It's 200 kilometers from Hubli, so wow, just amazing. I think this time, like, if you ask me Goa or Gokarna, I would say Gokarna, because we have cases of corona in Maharashtra, so better we avoid that. Let's see, because we are having third wave too. I mean, the third wave, fourth wave, I don't know what kind of wave, which wave that is, shit wave. So once we are done with these waves, whatever waves they are, I think that'll be a best time. Michael Jackson. You will find people, unique people here. I thought I find them only in Hyderabad, old city, but oh my god, she's traveling for a very long time now. Like she's coming with us for around 50 kilometers now. I really like doing these long rides. I enjoy driving my bike, and if I'm alone, I'm too good for a company. I entertain myself. I sing songs, and now that I'm vlogging, I'm focusing on both the things. First thing is road, and the next thing is what to talk and how to talk. It becomes important. there are petrol bunks. So there are a lot of petrol bunks just when you reach Gokarna. I think there is some kind of festival. Okay, there is some festival today. Yeah, I'll find out of the festival too. Karnataka people are celebrating some Ratham.
All round water.
Ganpati. జియంగారి ఇంటి సొగస జియంగారి ఇంటి సొగస అపరిచితుడు సినిమానే గుర్తొస్తుంది నాకు. సంజానేతోనే నాని నాడు. అరే గుండంలోకి తెచ్చినవేంద్రా. ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ, కుడ్లే బీచ్. I should go from here,
Yeah. You have to take that road.
Okay.
There is one narrow road.
So thank you. Too much ఉంది ఇదైతే. ఏం టెంపుల్ ఇది? డూయింగ్ సంథింగ్. ఓ మై గాడ్, ఎంత పిచ్చి ఉన్నాయి ఈ రోడ్స్ అసలు. ఏమన్నా సెట్టింగ్ ఉందా అసలు ఇది? వాట్సాప్, ఇదంతా కుడ్లే బీచ్ అనమాట. వెనకాల చూడండి, వెనకాల మొత్తం బీచే. నేను ఇవాళ ఎక్కడ ఉంటున్నా అనేది అంటే ఆ ప్లేస్ చూపిస్తా తర్వాత. ఇప్పుడైతే మీరు ఎంజాయ్ అండి వ్యూస్ని. As you could see, there was no chance for us to go out and vlog. We decided to take the resort Oceanfront. It costed around 2000 per night. It was non-AC, but if you opt for AC then it's 3000. But trust me, the hotel, I mean the resort, is too good for a stay. For one night stay, I would suggest you this resort. It's beautiful and you have a dance bar. You can dance in the night. సో ఈడనే ఉంటున్నా నేను ఇవాళ. లొకేషన్ చూసిర్రా, మెంటల్ ఎక్కిచ్చేస్తుంది. మా లొకేషన్ వచ్చేసి ఎదురుగా చూపిస్తా. అంతా ఫుల్ రైనింగ్ అనమాట, ఫుల్ వర్షం పొద్దున్నుంచి. బీచ్లో కూడా వర్షం పడుతుంది.